Welcome everyone to this session on the most widely used programming languages. In the fast-paced world of technology, programming languages act as a bridge between human logic and machine understanding. In this presentation, we will uncover the languages that are not only shaping today's digital ecosystem, but also paving the way for tomorrow's innovations. Whether you are a student, developer, or tech enthusiast, this will give you clarity on where the world of code is heading in 2025. Let's begin by understanding why programming languages matter so much. They are the building blocks of everything in tech, from mobile apps and websites to AI algorithms and space programs. Each language brings its own philosophy, syntax, and strengths. Some prioritizes performance, others simplicity, and some flexibility. By learning the most popular ones, you are not just picking tools, you are gaining the ability to build solutions, shape industries, and even influence the future. And with demand for developers growing globally, understanding what's trending gives you a competitive edge in the job market. JavaScript holds the crown as the language of the web. Originally created to add interactivity to websites, it has since evolved into a full stack powerhouse with frameworks like React for the front end and Node.js for the back end. JavaScript enables developers to build everything from single page apps to large scale enterprise systems all in one language. It's supported by every major browser and enjoys a massive community and ecosystem. Major tech companies including Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Netflix rely on it to deliver dynamic user experiences across billions of devices. Python is loved for its simplicity and power. Its readable syntax makes it ideal for beginners, but don't let that fool you. It's also the backbone of complex technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data. Python's massive library ecosystem, including tools like TensorFlow, Pandas, NumPy, and Flask, allows developers to quickly build powerful applications with minimal code. It's used by scientists to analyze space data, by engineers for automation, and by startups for rapid prototyping. Giants like NASA, Google, and Dropbox have all adopted Python in key parts of their infrastructure. Java is a legend in the programming world and it's still going strong. Known for its portability, Java code runs on any device that supports the Java virtual machine, living up to its mantra once, write once, run anywhere. Java is the backbone of many large scale enterprise systems, Android apps, and banking platforms. Its strong object oriented structure, mature tooling, and extensive libraries make it reliable for building robust applications. It's a go to language for many Fortune 500 companies like LinkedIn, Spotify, Amazon, and Netflix. If performance is critical, C++ is your language. Designed with power and precision in mind, C++ lets you interact with hardware, manage memory directly, and build systems that need real-time responsiveness, like game engines, operating systems, and simulations. Though it has a steep learning curve, C++ gives unmatched control over every aspect of the machine. It's a language behind major products at Microsoft, Adobe, Intel, Bloomberg, and many more. If you want to work in fields like robotics, game development, or embedded systems, mastering C++ is essential. C Sharp, pronounced as C Sharp, is Microsoft's answer to modern object-oriented development. It's primarily used for building Windows desktop applications, enterprise solutions, and games with Unity, one of the most popular game engines today. C Sharp offers a blend of productivity and power, with deep integration into the .NET framework. It features strong typing, rich libraries, and excellent development tools like Visual Studio. Whether you are creating a 3D game, a web app, or a corporate portal, C Sharp has the performance and tools to support your vision. No matter what application you are building, data is at its core, and SQL or structured query language is the standard for managing it. SQL is used to create, read, update, and delete data from relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. It's indispensable in fields like data science, business intelligence, and web development. Almost every application from mobile banking to video streaming platforms uses SQL behind the scenes. Even if you are working with newer technologies like NoSQL, a solid foundation in SQL remains absolutely crucial. Rust is the rising star among system programming languages. Built with memory safety at its core, Rust lets you write high performance, low level code without worrying about crashes or security issues. It's ideal for applications that require concurrency, speed, and zero overhead like browsers, operating systems, and game engines. Rust has been voted the most loved language on Stack Overflow multiple years in a row. Companies like Mozilla, Cloudflare, AWS, and Dropbox are increasingly adopting Rust to power performance critical parts of their software. Go, also known as Golang, is Google's answer to modern backend development. It was designed for simplicity, scalability, and concurrency, making it perfect for cloud native applications, DevOps tools, and microservices. Go makes writing concurrent code easy, while Go routines, which allow programs to run multiple tasks at once effectively and reliably. It's behind the scenes of tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and Terraform. With adoption by companies like Uber, Twitch, and Google, Go is one of the best choices for scalable infrastructure. Let's pause to compare all these languages side by side. As you can see, each language specializes in a unique area. JavaScript rules the web, Python empowers data, Java drives enterprise systems, C++ fuels performance critical applications, C Sharp shines in Windows and game development, SQL manages our data, Rust ensures safety in systems, Go simplifies cloud native scalability. Whether you are building a startup app or a real world game engine, this table helps you choose the right tool for the job. To wrap it up, there's no one size fits all language. Each of these has carved out a space because of its unique strengths, massive community support, and real world applicability. As a developer, learning multiple languages helps you stay flexible, enjoyable, and future proof. Whether you are solving business problems, creating the next viral app, or diving deep into AI or systems programming, mastering the right language is your first step. Stay curious, keep building, and let your code be your superpower.